I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night. I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night.
Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe. Usually I don't do this often, but since recruiting isn't an option due to unusual rain and thunder, baby I wonder, would you just
Good. What is now, guys? A good night or a good morning. It's 1 a.m. in the morning. It's Abby's bird night or bird morning. It's after midnight, so it's his birthday. So guys, help me wish Abby a happy birthday. Remember to comment in the comment section and wish him a happy birthday. So guys, we are up. We just came in and we are up. We just had a nice shower. Now watch the eye face, guys. It's serum. It's not.
Hello, welcome to another
I'm not sweating. The TV just come on out of the blues. I'm not sweating, guys. It's actually serum on my face. You know, I'm so airy and shiny. Yes, guys. Somebody here at 1 a.m. drinking a bowl of soup. Yes, guys. So I'm just gonna check in with you guys. Yeah, since there's no up, why not? Yeah. So guys, remember to wish Abby a happy birthday in the comment section. Alright. Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Guys, so guess what day it is? It's Abby's. Guys, my sunscreen melting already. It's Abby's birthday. We want you guys drop happy birthday in the comment section. Happy birthday, babe. Yes, guys, it's Abby's birthday. So we are going to Dunn's River Falls, and then with the kids, and then later, hopefully, because my husband, guys, a healthy change in mind, especially if he go out and the sun beat him and him tired. Yeah, so later we're gonna go to Seafood Dave's or Dave's Lobster, something like that, in Ocherias. Yeah, that's what in calling say I come. Yeah, so we're gonna go to Seafood Dave or a circle or Dave Lab, something like so, guys. So we're gonna go there tonight. Yeah, after we come back
Put it down.
put it back, baby. That's chemical. Yeah, dirty grandpa stuff. Yes, after we come back and settle, yeah, we're gonna go back out. Alright, so we're taking you guys along with us to Dunn's River Falls. Guys, you see me get my tan already, you know. Get my tan already. Yeah, tan go on. Alright, 8-1 top Jenna. Show your legs, kiddo.
I'm in my house.
Yeah, I get.
Why you cutting your shit?
Wait, are you kidding?
That's embarrassing.
What's wrong with you? Guys, she said me tell her that the camera watch the one no mosquito by her ears. No, stop. Guys, Akon, you ready for the... You've been to Dunn's River before. When you were a little, like, maybe about 5. You remember that picture when you're walking down the hill in the red shorts?
Don't they have like the jet skis or whatever?
I think so.
Huh?
I think so.
You can like ride it?
Me?
No, like I can.
Yeah, I think so.
Give life jackets already. No, I'm not even joking.
Hey guys, movie camera off now. Movie. Yes, I don't know about this baby. Yeah. Happy birthday, Steve.
I'm sexy Jacqueline.
Promise? Can I have that? Prom. So guys, this is my fit. It's a long cover-up maxi dress. Turn it like this way. Yeah. Yep, it's a long cover-up. And like my promise thing down. Yeah. It's a maxi dress. Let me twirl for you guys. Guys, when I saw this cover-up in, I think it's called Airy, I love it. It's long, but I love it. Even though I like short stuff, I actually love long stuff. For those who don't know, I love long dresses too. And this cover-up, yeah, I love it. And it matches my bathing suit. My bathing suit is blue, and the stripes in this is blue. If you all want to know where I get it, let me know. And it wasn't expensive at all, but I love it just flowy. The breeze just a blow. Guys, and the hairdresser that did my wig installation, she did her thing, because what is it? Today's what? Wednesday? Today's Thursday? It's day 5. It's solid. Yeah, and I just brush it in like this because I'm going to Dunn's River. Yeah. She did her thing. Guys, we are off to the beach. Go. Dunn's River. Come.
Promise.
Let's go. Go. Wait, little girl. Go. Woman, I tell you, say a guy eat. Oh. Oh, you did that one. Okay. Say, big up the lifestylers, guys. Prom prom. Prom prom. Say hello. Hey, come big up the lifestylers, them now. Nobody now big up the lifestylers. Big Should we get KFC?
Right now?
Or you want jerk? Huh? So when I take something with me? You're gonna be hungry in there. There's nothing in there to eat. Do you guys wanna do eat after? You guys wanna just grab a patty now and then?
Yes, yes. Yes, please.
Should I walk it on there so I don't just sit there?
Walk?
It's right there.
In this heat?
Mama walk, you want patty, babe? Huh? You want to come with me? To get the patty?
Just need the dangerous man out here.
No, come. I just that's the Zuki said we are going to juice the beef.
Done?
Come.
I'm gonna get through that.
So put right there. Right there. No, I'm not going on. The guys are walking to juice the beef. Come, I'm busy road this. Can't walk like it or Canada. Sorry. Guys are going. Just grab a snack. I'm showing you guys. Hey, Kwan. The line is long. When the line is long. So guys, we're in Juice Beef. We came here yesterday too. It's our second time trying Juice Beef. We came here yesterday, but oh my god, outbreak. I came yesterday, but I didn't vlog it. So we're going to Dunn's where I was gonna grab them KFC, but let me say they wanna have that after. So we are just gonna grab a couple patties, some juice, and that's until after.
That's why I'm not fancy.
Me have to cool him. Me can't eat
I'm
patty
fancy
hot.
food, give me food cold.
You love hot food?
No, cool.
I see me not like hot food. I see me not like it. Me always say even soup. Nobody give me like soup, but me soup now feel blaze.
No man, me have to fight.
Me want to kind of drink me soup.
Take up your nice one and put them on.
Yeah.
You have fight and a flash you about.
I saw me stay. Mommy then always say, why since you not eat the why you not eat the food at you know like you see some people eat packet in the pan. It's up one up there more. Oh God, not me. Why my food not cold? The one they run the sun. Gosh, you get equal food in 2 seconds. Oh God. I just say, what you do? Swallow your food? You're not chew.
One bite also.
I did done. Oh God. I will say it's a feel belly. Stomach must say, oh my God, it's hard to break you.
Yeah,
Yeah. And I took off the t-shirt. Go, look, daddy. Go. Look, your daddy go walk. Go. Go, daddy's gonna go walk. Once you get in. Look. Look at yourself. Let's go for a walk. Hold daddy hand. Hold daddy hand. Okay, I'm coming too. I'm coming too, mama. Woo! Let's. Come. Huh? My butt is wet? Sand? So what? I'm a beach bum. That's okay. Yeah, come. Ew. Come, babe. Yeah, I'm video that. Wait, money.
Swim, let me see you swim. The gas swim? The gas swim? Eh? Is it by any?
Come on, babe.
Eh? You don't want to fall down in that one?
It's right here.
Just touch me balls. That's a bit nasty out there. I'm on it then. You know, happy so far.
Why you up on your glasses? You can't swim in your glasses.
I didn't take it straight.
Come. You gotta go put away your glasses. I'll put it away for you.
Big one can't hold it.
Arlen.
Bunny, 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 in the pizza party. Water cold? The longer you stay there, the warmer it is, the more. Don't splash promises, mommy. You guys are dirty anyway. Water! Soft water. Don't splash in their face.
Oh, that's salty.
Salt.
That's salty. What's over there?
We're gonna blow Kinky out.
That after? Bro, like, how'd you get scared?
Put her down. Go down with her.
You're not going down.
Okay, Mama. Gotta get rid of this fear. Don't flush her, man. You okay now? Let's dance. Whoa, whoa. Jump, jump, show daddy, jump. Be careful. Be careful. Be careful. Money, take one. See daddy, go see daddy. First, be careful, guys. Let's go, Money. Don't go behind us. Not behind us. We're going over the falls.
The falls?
Yeah, go take
Who?
pictures.
We or?
You don't want to take pictures on the falls?
Ah! Stop! Your phone.
You don't want to take pictures?
No.
packed. So, jerk center there. So guys, see the young father here. Check out the fits. Oh, good.
Well, all right, look at this.
All right. Hello, guys. So it's
Wow.
tell them, baby.
Yeah, guys. It's day 6 and we're about to count down.
Oh, God. Guys, I think it's day 5 or 4. It's not quite 6 yet. Earlier we celebrated hubby in the daytime, so now we're about to celebrate him in the nighttime. So just me and him. Earlier was with the kids, so now it's us. All right, so we're gonna take you along with us. We're not quite sure where we're going yet. My uncle is on his way to pick us up. So we know that we're going to Ocherius, but as to where in Ocherius, I don't know. Guys, I'm gonna make up a show and my fit my birthday, because that's what we birthday, you know. We birthday fits, alright? Okay guys, this is the birthday fit. It's just a little simple see-through top. One of those bell foot, bring the camera down a little bit. One of those bell foot pants. Yeah, that's the birthday. The birthday? I'm doing birthday speed.
So,
Guys, I'm doing my birthday too. So I'm sure you the birthday boy fit now. Guys, guys, he not have any shoes yet, so I can't show him fit. So he said at the end of that episode, we show him fit when we get to where we're going, guys. This little fan that I got on Amazon, this little hand elf fan that you use when you're doing your makeup, guys, it's the bomb. Guys, I'm not sure about my makeup tonight, but it can go on. I'm not able to do too much to my hair. Yeah, and it got wet up today. It got a little wet today. Yeah. So guys, the fun, yeah. In the house not hot, you know, because it's raining and everything, but because at night time, guys, we cover up, right, Bill? At night time we cover up. Yeah, part of the night. When it come to like the morning, we don't know if at that time we throw off the sheet. Huh? Who? But never sleep with them last night. Yeah. Yes, guys. So guys, my uncle is here.
One rusty.
One what?
One rusty. They put the camera show you. That's what
11 and a half. What?
I can't go. My foot are growing on my age.
Where do you feel some?
Boss. I go to the cup to one age.
the camera show you the key. That's what I know if you know.
The rusty one.
When you look for the key before look what
It's a black and catch me. It's Valley.
Look, guys, my uncle is here. We take my uncle out in bed.
and wash me over until my well runs dry.
We're at John Crow's. I can't even pronounce it. John Crow's. In a pattern called John Crow. So we're at John Crow's.
And rock right up to the side of my mountain until you reach my feet, baby, and reach right to the bottom of my mountain. I wanna play in your deep, then dip me underway. You can feel my foot, hold me till I scream forever, breathe, and wash me over until my well runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby. And rock right up to the side of my mountain until you reach my feet, baby. And reach right to the bottom of my mountain. I want to play in your deep,
Actually, never carry the rum come last.
They're more important than the little one.
When they have me on it.
Cheers again.
Yeah.
Run the people like
Boy. Guys, that's my uncle over there.
Yeah.
Yeah, but he's taken.
when they took my get lucky.
One of my mom friend drop off about 12 jelly since I come, and every day my mother take it out for chop them again. As me I wash off my heart too. Yeah. And when I come back to Canada, my heart did clean already. This heart, yeah.
You come in?
I come back, it's clean. That is my mom. I try to get acorn. My mom, I try to get acorn for go a store. Apparently, she want my dad to give Acorn chicken and put him on a taxi. We can't send my children them to mommy for summer. Eh? I can put them on taxi. Guys, yeah, over there, so I don't know what talk to her when they put the camera up on her, she cover her whole head.
Of course. I did a blast to make put the camera up and cover.
I don't know what she over there, guys. When we come like the meat ticking at this. Jelly nice. Could I drink too? Tickler.
You mean I'm being under me tired to chop coconut now?
Yeah.
Tired to chop coconut.
Tired to chop.
Coconut never work a
How much the guy give me?
Must about 10 or 12.
Guys, today is Friday. It's after 1. I'll be still sleeping. My shop party. I think he had a good birthday. A day well spent and a night well spent. Because my uncle took us out last night. As you guys all know from the video, we went to John Crow's. Still want to sleep. We went to John Crow's. And apparently, you might have remember, guys, you know, John Crow's, my granduncle owned it before. My granduncle owned the previous store and then he sold it to this current owner. I didn't even remember that because that was way long ago. Yeah, guys, something done, but you know, if you go chop this and me eat the meat now, it's another task.
Put your sweats on for me. I got the plug, I made the call for me. I'm talking late night for ya. Let me lay a great time on ya. Don't hesitate, no, don't you? Just say you